Hello everyone, welcome to Crafting with Barbara. So I know it's been a while, I apologize, but I still have a lot going on with my moving and all that, and I had to get surgery on my ankle. So I was down for a while. I couldn't really move from the bed to the potty, so it was just a lot. So I took time and I started making things on my own, off camera, just to keep my mind busy, keep myself going. Because I didn't want to sit there and get all depressed and all down over it. Excuse my shirt. I'm so sorry. I spilled some soda just now. I wasn't going to change the shirt just to start. So anyways, so don't mind that. Spilled soda. It's wet. Well, anyways, so I wanted to share with you guys real quick on this tutorial some things that I was working on off camera that I will definitely be making some on camera because I want to share that with you guys. It's something easy. It's fun. It kept my mind busy, and that's all that matters. So I want to share with you guys real quick some of them. Hopefully you can see them good because you know I always have trouble trying to show you guys something. So let's get started. Now, everything I'm showing you guys was made out, my shirt is driving me crazy, was made out of foam clay. So we're going to start off with this adorable little baby. Look how pretty she is. Even the Hello Kitty is made out of foam. Now the little ice cream cone she's holding, I bought a whole bunch of little different things. So that I did not make. But everything else I did. You see how I put little stuff all up in here. I tried to make her hair as best as I... Look, I was bored. I was playing around. Okay, so then I got this adorable little doggy. I think she turned out really pretty. Then I have this cute little guy. Now my eyes, all these eyes that you're going to see on all these eyes I got from Temu. So if you guys love things like that, check them out. They have some adorable things, especially for crafting. So I made this adorable little guy and I put a little drink in his hand. Okay, so there's some here that I'm not sure if I showed you guys in my last little video of little bears that I made. I'm not sure if I showed them to you guys or not, so I might show them to you guys just real quick, but first I'm going to show you what I really wanted to show you. So then I made this adorable flower. She's so freaking pretty. I will definitely be making more of these on camera because I really love those. So I want to show you guys some. Here goes a little bumblebee I made. I want to make something with her, but I'm not sure yet what I want to make. And then I made this cool cheeseburger and fries. Anybody hungry? And it looks so real. It looks so cool. Okay, so let's get started with the other one. So I made this adorable little blueberry. And I want you guys to comment down below which one is your favorite. I made this little lemon guy. So I'm trying to get close to the camera. Hopefully this camera is a lot more clear for you guys, which to me it looks way better. And then I made this. Tell me this did not come out adorable. Okay, I made a mini little apple. I made a green apple. I made a strawberry. Orange. Mango, pineapple. This one is one of my cute little ones too. I made this little lemon guy, well, lime and lemon guy. Okay, I made this adorable watermelon. I gotta take my time saying it because I always mess up saying it, and then I sound stupid. Okay, and then it's one of my favorites. a little grape guy. Well, girl. So, like I said, I will be making some of these on camera. So, I still want to make green grapes. So, I will definitely do that on camera. Okay, here is my little banana guy. And, like, you can't really see the details because, like I said, the camera. But I put, like, little line screeps in them to actually look like the banana. And then I made 2 vegetables. Oh, and I also made peas in a pot. I love that one too. I made little mushroom guy. Well, girl, whatever. And then I made 2 vegetables so far. I made this adorable one. This is one of my favorites. I made a carrot. So those are the ones I was working on, like off camera and stuff. And then I have other ones that I have made before, which I think those was the ones I shared with you guys. I can't remember which ones I shared with you guys. And then I also made this adorable little girl in the tub. I felt like her eyes could have been a little bit better, but it's okay. I'm learning how to mess with this clay. And then I made these other ones, but I can't remember if I showed you guys these in my last video. But look at these adorable ones. And then I made a Care Bear. I love Care Bears. Who don't love Care Bears? I made a little Wonder Woman one, but because of where I had them all put away, because remember I was packing, then I unpacked them because I want them to dry better, and I'm gonna find something better to put them in so they don't mess up. So I need to like touch this one up. But I made a little Wonder Woman girl, so I need to like just touch up the little brown spots and stuff. And then I made a little Spider-Man one. My grandson loves this one. I did a little Halloween fake spider there. I didn't finish the back of them on those 2 I just showed. So I have to finish the back of those. And then I also made a little It one with a balloon. But I can't remember if I showed this in the last one. So that's why I'm just showing them to you guys real quick. See, I made a little, and I painted that on the face. Okay, so I think I showed you guys all of them because I think all my other ones I showed you guys in the last video. I think the rest you guys did see. And I also made this cute little bee. And I also made this adorable little house. Because I wanted to make a little house to go with my Grinch. I'll show you guys my Grinch. You might have seen my Grinch already. But I made the Grinch. He's my favorite. Now, out of everything, he is one of my #1 favorites. So that's everything I wanted to show you guys out of these. That see, I got hair and stuff. See, my shirt's starting to look better. It's starting to dry. Okay, so like I said, these are all the ones that I've been working on off camera. I will definitely be making some on camera, and if you guys can give me some good ideas on what I can make with these, please share, let me know, comment down below, because I really want to make some really neat things, especially with my little fruit people and my vegetable people. I want to make some more vegetables, so I will probably be doing those on camera, some of those on camera for you guys can see. It's so easy, it's so fun, like I love it. Like this makes me so happy. So I've been getting a lot of clay, and I've been, you know, slowly working and learning. I want to show you guys too these adorable eyes that hubby got me from Amazon. So I want to make a couple things with these eyes and see how this turns out. I know they're gonna turn out adorable. So yes, so I've been ordering a lot of molds and a lot of things off of Temu. You guys need to check it out if you can, because they have so many molds. Like, it's unreal. I love it. Like, I've done made so many things. I made a lot of ice cream scoops, macarons. I made cookies, little cookies. I made, oh, I love this cookie. It's a blueberry lemon cookie. So, and like I said, I made a lot of different color scoops. So I want to make something with my scoops. And I also made a lot of bears and a lot of different cookies. You guys can't really see. Let me see. Not even, can't see it. There we go. So I made a whole bunch. I made a whole bunch of these adorable little bears in different colors. So I will definitely be back making you guys some more tutorials. Look at these flowers. I just need to like paint in the middle maybe, like with a little bit of white or something. Look how pretty those are. So I made those in a whole bunch of colors. You know, like I made a good amount of different things. Let's see, I have a whole little goodie bag. So I'm going to work on making some more stuff. I promise I will be slowly coming back. You know, a lot of things are packed. Just a lot going on at once. I'm just starting to move around on my feet. So it's just been... So I wanted to share all that with you guys. I wanted to share these adorable little people I've been making. Oh, and I want to show you guys this too. Ordered this from Temu as well. I didn't order it for the purpose of what it is. I ordered it because I fell in love with it. I believe I paid $2 something. What, like $2 something? Tell me this is not adorable. Please tell me this is not. I'm going to show you what it is. To clean your bathroom. But I'm not using it to clean my bathroom. I'm going to leave it just like this. And use it as a decoration. I was thinking make a very big ice cream again. Or make a big cake. Make something. Sit this on the top. I don't know. Maybe we'll just leave it as a decoration. I don't know. So... like I said, I'm going to slowly come back with more tutorials for you guys. Just please work with me. I know it's been a while. I miss all you guys so much. But I was just going through so much. I just was not in a camera mood. But I'm back. And I'm going to slowly get back. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please don't forget. Comment down below and tell me which was your favorite out of all the ones that I showed. I call the fruit, little fruit people. I call my vegetable, little vegetable people. And then the other ones are like bears and stuff. So you guys tell me what you guys like the most out of all the ones I show you guys. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Please don't forget to continue to subscribe. And thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. I know you're finally seeing me. So please don't forget, share if you want to. Let's share the love. I'm slowly going to come back. I miss you guys so much. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.